Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to make a professional real estate website using WordPress. And the best part is, we'll do it with completely free plugins and themes. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional site where you can showcase property listings, attract clients, and take your real estate presence to the next level, all without spending a dime on premium tools. Let's dive in. First things first, let's set up the foundation, the look and feel of your site. This starts with installing a free real estate theme. Log into your WordPress dashboard. If you've never done this before, just head to and enter your credentials. Once you're in, you'll want to find your way over to the sidebar and click on Appearance, then Themes, and then Add New. Now in the search bar, type Real Estate and you'll see a bunch of options pop up. Some great ones to start with are Real Estate TechUp or FSE Real Estate, which are both feature-rich and tailor-made for showing off properties. Alternatively, if you want something a bit more flexible, you could go with popular themes like Astra or Hello Elementor. They offer lots of customization options and work well with most plugins. Once you find a theme you like, click Install and then Activate. Give it a second, your site's design foundation is now ready. Alright, next up is adding the functionality to actually handle real estate listings. Let's head to Plugins in the sidebar and choose Add New. Plugins are like little apps that add features to your site, and there's a whole world of free ones out there. Search for something like Essential Real Estate or Easy Property Listings. These plugins are specifically designed to help you manage property listings smoothly. Click Install now and then Activate. Don't worry if it takes a minute. Installing a plugin is just like adding a new tool to your toolbox. And remember, you can always add more plugins later if you want extra features like mortgage calculators or advanced contact forms. Now for the fun part, adding your first property listings. With your real estate plugin active, you'll typically find a new menu item in your dashboard called Properties or something similar. Click there and choose Add New. This is where you fill in all the juicy details about the property, upload eye-catching photos, set the price, add the location, include a map, so your visitors know exactly where it is, and of course describe all the features that make this home special. Try to put yourself in the buyer's shoes. What would they want to know? The more info, the better. Once you've added your first few listings, you can display them right on your homepage or create a dedicated properties page, making it super easy for visitors to browse. Once your properties are in, it's time to fine-tune the look and functionality. Head back to the Customize option under Appearance, or open the page in the block editor if you're comfortable with that. This is where you can change colors, tweak layouts, and really put your own spin on things so your site matches your branding and feels inviting. Don't forget to test out any forms and links, submit an inquiry or click around your listings to make sure everything works smoothly, just like a visitor would. Sometimes you'll find little things to adjust, and that's totally normal. Finally, when you're happy with how everything looks and functions, go ahead and hit Publish. Your real estate website is live, ready to help you connect with buyers and sellers. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button, it means a lot. If you have any questions or got stuck at any step, leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides like this one. Thanks for watching and congrats on your brand new real estate site.